To fix a non-working Honeywell humidifier, first identify the issue, which is often due to a power problem, an empty water tank, or a clogged filter. Begin by checking the power supply. Ensure the humidifier is plugged in and that the indicator light turns on. If it doesn't, try plugging it into a different outlet. If the issue persists, check the circuit breaker or fuse to confirm that the outlet has power. Once you've confirmed the power supply, refill the water tank by unplugging the humidifier, removing the tank from its base, unscrewing the cap, filling it with water, and then replacing the tank. If refilling the tank doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clean the filter. To do this, unplug the humidifier and let it cool down. Then remove the water tank and lift out the filter pad. Wash the filter with warm water and soap. Rinse it, and let it air dry. After cleaning the filter, replace it, fill the tank with fresh water, and put it back on the unit. Finally, plug in the humidifier and check if the problem has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a non-working Honeywell humidifier.